Have you ever wondered how some people keep getting richer even when the economy seems unstable? It's not luck, it's not magic, it's strategy. And today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful investment strategies that smart investors are using right now to double their money in 2025. You don't need $1 million portfolio, you just need the right plan, and that starts today. This is Wealth Blueprint, where we simplify wealth building strategies with data, insight, and action. So hit that like button and subscribe, because your financial future deserves better. Let's face it, 2025 isn't starting off easy. For most people, inflation is still eating away. Your savings banks are offering laughable interest rates. Job insecurity is at an all-time high, and the stock market, it's more volatile than ever. Meanwhile, the rich keep getting richer. Why? Because while most people are reacting to problems, the wealthy are positioning themselves with smart investments that grow even in uncertain times. Here's the truth. If you keep doing what the average person does, saving in low-yield accounts, avoiding risk, and waiting for a better time, you'll stay stuck. But if you apply the 5 strategies in this video, you'll be way ahead of 90% of people by the end of the year. 1. High-yield savings with AI optimization. Most people still keep their money in traditional savings accounts, which, let's be honest, is basically like leaving your cash under the mattress. But with more fees. Now, imagine this. What if your savings could automatically move to the highest yielding account or investment vehicle every single month, optimized by artificial intelligence? That's exactly what AI-powered savings apps are doing right now. Apps like Max, My Interest, Power, and Clio analyze market conditions in real time. They reallocate your funds into accounts, offering the best interest rates, and they keep your money. FDIC insured, safe, and always accessible. We're talking about going from 0.01% interest to 4.5%, or even 5% a year with no extra effort. Now imagine compounding those gains every single month. This is no longer optional. It's step 1 to escaping the slow lane of saving 2 ETFs focused on emerging tech. Let me ask you this. If you could go back in time and invest in Amazon before it exploded, would you? Well, in 2025, you don't need a time machine, because new industries are rising right now, and smart investors are already jumping in. Enter emerging tech ETFs. These are exchange-traded funds that bundle together high-growth tech companies, giving you exposure to the next generation of innovation, without betting on a single stock top picks for 2025. RKK Disruptive Innovation, QQQM, Tech's heavy NASDAQ exposure with lower fees. Meta Robobots focused on AI, robotics, and the metaverse. Why this works? Diversification across tech sectors, lower risk than individual stocks. Long-term, exponential, upside potential. These ETFs are your ticket into industries like artificial intelligence, green energy, and cybersecurity, all forecasted to explode in the next 3 to 5 years. It's like owning a slice of the future. 3 rates with monthly dividends. Everyone wants to invest in real estate, but not everyone wants to deal with tenants, toilets, or 6-figure down payments. That's where REITs come in. Real estate investment trusts. With REITs, you can invest in high-performing real estate portfolios with just a few dollars, and many of them pay out monthly dividends. Imagine earning passive income every single month while your investment also appreciates in value. Here's how it works. You buy shares of a REIT just like a stock. The REIT collects rent or profit from real estate holdings. They're legally required to pay out at least 90% of profits to shareholders. Some REITs to watch in 2025 owe Realty Income, the monthly dividend company. STAG focused on industrial real estate, VNQ, broad real estate exposure bonus. Many ARIAs perform well during inflationary periods, making them a powerful hedge in today's economy. This strategy turns your portfolio into a cash flow machine. No landlord duties required. 4. Geo arbitrage investing. Now, here's something most investors completely overlook. What if you could earn in strong currencies like the US dollar and invest in undervalued markets where your money goes a lot further? That's the core idea of geo arbitrage investing, and it's a game changer. While developed markets are saturated, emerging economies are just beginning to explode in sectors like infrastructure, technology, energy, mobile banking, and crypto adoption. Imagine buying real estate or stocks in countries where the cost of entry is 70% lower, but the growth rate is doubled out of the US. And here's the kicker. Platforms like interactive brokers allow you to invest globally. Crypto gives you access to borderless assets. Some even buy real estate abroad and rent via Airbnb in strong tourist markets. Geo arbitrage isn't just about investing overseas. It's about taking advantage of currency value, local demand, and rapid growth while holding the strength of your dollar. Invest where others aren't looking. That's where the hidden gems live. 5. Build and monetize a personal brand. This one might surprise you, but in 2025, your personal brand might be the most valuable asset you can build. Why? Because attention is currency. And if you know how to attract attention the right way, you can turn it into income over and over again, whether you're on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or LinkedIn. If you share knowledge, document your journey, or teach something valuable, you can monetize through affiliate marketing, selling digital products, offering consulting or coaching sponsorships and brand deals. You don't need millions of followers. You just need 1,000 true fans, people who trust your voice and follow your lead. Real example, a 27-year-old financial coach on TikTok started posting 1-minute tips. Within 6 months, she built a digital product line and now makes over $20,000 a month, all from her phone. The sooner you start building your brand, the faster you build leverage. Because once you own attention, you own opportunity. Let's do a quick recap. Here are the 5 investment strategies to double your money in 2025 high-yield savings with AI optimization. Let AI boost your passive income while you sleep. ETFs focused on emerging tech get a slice of future innovation with built-in diversification. REITs with monthly dividends, passive income, real estate exposure, no landlord headaches, geo arbitrage, investing leverage global markets, strong dollar in emerging economies, build and monetize a personal brand. Turn your knowledge and passion into real money online. Each of these strategies alone can move the needle, but combined, they create a financial transformation roadmap for 2025. So, here's what you do. Now, drop a comment and let me know which of these strategies will you start with. First, hit the like button if this brought you value, and subscribe, because every week we are breaking down what the rich are doing so you can do it too. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to be rich to start, but you need to start to become rich. Next video, we're diving into the 3 investments billionaires are making right now that no one is talking about. It's bold, it's real, and it's going to blow your mind. So, stick with us.